Don't buy this unless you're actually ready to see how nasty your couch really is. Because I'm telling you right now, I was disgusted. Technically, it's a mattress vacuum, but it works insanely well on couches too. And believe it or not, this is what came out after just 4 passes. I was literally shook. It uses ultrasonic pulses, 33,000 taps per minute, to shake dust mites out from deep inside your mattress. When it detects mites, the light turns red. You hold it there for a few seconds, and once it's clean, it turns blue. It also uses UV light and hot air to kill 99.9% of bacteria, dust, and allergens. So if you've got allergies or you've been getting sick more than usual lately, you really need to try this. This usually goes for around $200, but right now it's over 50% off with a 10-year warranty and lifetime support. There is nothing I hate more than being sick and nothing I love more than a clean home. So for me, this is a total must-have. I'm dropping the link below. Grab it while it's still on sale.